Meghalaya's TMC MLA Charles Pingrove has questioned the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government on its continuous apathy towards the lower primary contractual teachers. According to him, the concerns of the Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Contractual Teachers Association should be taken more seriously by the government. Pointing out the inconclusive meeting between the MGLPSCTA and the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Pingrove said that the MDA government may not be very serious about addressing the issues.
Concerns of the Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Contractual Teachers Association should be taken a bit more seriously by this government and try and address their issues so that they deserve whatever benefits they need to get from this protest that they had. Therefore, the inconclusive meeting that they had with the Deputy Chief Minister will not go down well with them, and at the same time may send a signal to them that perhaps the government is not very serious in addressing their issues.